Hello everyone, this is Jeanette from Handmade by Jeannie with a Beebeecraft unboxing. I was contacted by the folks down at Beebeecraft to make a review video in exchange for some products. The value of the products is $40. In order to do this, your channel has to have at least 100 subscribers. If anyone is interested in this program, you can fill out the form on their website, which is right down at the bottom. They're an online jewelry making and craft supply store. The items I chose came well packaged in this bag. This is the receipt that came with it. Everything was well packed and shipping was fast. The items I chose were some aluminum wire. This is in this box, silver aluminum 12 gauge wire. The next items that I chose were some beads. These are some Amazonite 10mm beads. And I like that they're all different colors. The natural stone is different colors. The next item up is these 6mm tiger eye beads. These are my favorite beads to work with. And since I don't have a tiger eye bracelet, I'm gonna make myself a bracelet with these. Last but not least, these are some natural black stone beads. They're oval shape and it's 18.5 by 13 by 6mm with a hole size of 1mm, and there's 22 pieces per strand. There's a coupon code in the description. If you make a purchase over $40, you get $5 off. So I don't know what happened to the volume on this side. I've simply said, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.